Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you how to make the almond milk, one of the healthiest and most traditional Sicilian drinks. Guys, you only need some almonds, green almonds, and nothing else, just some water, and you will make one of the best drinks ever. Let's start! I think the first basket is full. This is the first of a long series. So guys, the previous tree was a wild tree. It doesn't belong to my garden. And the almonds were so small. This is my tree in my garden. And as you can see, they are a little bit larger, bigger. So I think they are perfect for our almond milk because inside they have more pulp. Of course, there is a reason why this tree makes bigger almonds. I used to cut the old branches every year after the almond harvest. This is the secret. Not before, not during. After you harvest, you pick the almonds, you can cut the old branches like that, or the branches that goes up. They don't make any fruits, so it's better you cut to have a bigger production. They're so big. This is the result of my work. So guys, now we are ready to break the almonds. Be patient, because this is the hardest part. You can use an hammer, of course, and you need patience. First, you break the shell, and now this is the most annoying part ever. This is the pulp, but you have to peel it. So you have to separate the peel from the pulp. If the almond is ripe, it will be difficult. So it's better you use the fresh green almond. Okay, now it's completely separated from the peel, and this is the result. And you start collecting. Okay, this is the result of our art job, and it's about 130 almonds. They should be more or less 200 grams. It's about 7 ounces. Let's check. Now it's very important to soften these almonds. We have to put the almonds into the water for about 12 hours. So 12 hours later, we have softened our almonds, we have washed them, and now we are ready to chop them with a mixer, with a blender. We have chopped our almonds. I put some water to be easier, and now we can use our mixer. So this is the result. Now we have to separate the pulp from the almond milk. We use a colander. You can use the remaining part for other purposes, such as the making of some cakes, some desserts. This is delicious. And this is the result, the final result. So we have used 200 grams, it's about 7 ounces of almonds, fresh almonds, and we have mixed the almonds with about 800 grams of water. It's about 28 ounces of water, and this is the result. I recommend you to enjoy it cold, very cold. Delicious, guys. It's unbelievable. Try it at home and please let me know your result. Enjoy it.